drove me to choose this specialty was people. I was always a people's person and I always would like to be one. So I like being with people, I like interacting with people, understanding them. So that maybe made me take this branch.
It is actually very interesting. I was about to join an engineering college just after my class 12th. I even went to the counseling to join an engineering college. However, my grandfather got sick and he was admitted at Sir Gangaram Hospital. I went there to see him and I was impressed with the doctors there. So I just backed off from engineering and decided कि बनना है तो अब डॉक्टर ही बनना है.
There were very less doctors and hardly there were any orthopedic there at that time. So I chose orthopedic. There were two reasons. First, there was no orthopedic at that time in my area, and second, it is an end specialty basically at that time.
मुझे याद है जब मैंने पीजी करते वक्त दौरान ना एक कैंसर सर्विक्स के पेशेंट को वो वॉल्ट मशीन पे 2D ट्रीटमेंट किया था. वो मैंने पहली बार इंडिपेंडेंट किया था एंड आफ्टर ट्रीटमेंट आफ्टर 1.5 year पेशेंट मेरे पास आई एंड शी वाज कंप्लीटली क्योर्ड एंड गिव मी सो मच ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स.
I would certainly remember the first patient where I was more in senses of my faculty, in the sense of my profession, and that young girl was a stage 4 cancer, and that made you feel that you can lose. It was that patient taught me to understand that losses are a part of your life and will always be.
I remember my first patient came in the OPD with a broken wrist. So I was, I think, maybe first year or second year resident. So my boss was not there in the city at that time. So I admitted that patient. I didn't let go that patient, so I called him. कि सर मैंने पेशेंट एडमिट किया है और क्या करना है. बोले तुमने वो पेशेंट एडमिट किया है तो तुम्हें ऑपरेट करना है. So that memory stays with me.
Yes, patients have taught me lessons and they teach me till today, till the last patient I saw. Because patients always have a unique perspective and it's always better to keep your ears and eyes open to them, to always be able to see things from their lens. So yes, patients teach me a lot of things and about everything.
Yes, it happened during the COVID times where many of the patients were coming in teleconsultation or on phone. We were very busy at that time, so one of my patients I saw on video call, but I could not follow him up all his messages and all his queries. And then he was very kind of angry as doctor was not replying. So I was I became more passionate about replying to my patients' queries and messages. So I think he taught me to follow up all your patients, to answer all their queries and to be there for them 24/7.
एक कैंसर पेशेंट स्टेज 4 की पेशेंट मेरे पास आई थी 5 साल पहले. तो मैंने उसे बताया कि हम आपके ब्रेन में रेडिएशन करेंगे और आपकी जो जिंदगी है सर्वाइवल है वो 4 से 6 महीने की है. तो उसने कहा नहीं मैडम, मुझे अभी बहुत सारा काम करना है और आप ऐसा मत कहो, मेरी जिंदगी बहुत लंबी है और यू कांट इमेजिन टिल नाउ 6 years she is survived. She is doing very good.
Always listen to your patients. Always listen to your patients. Give them the due regard. Don't make up your mind and talk to the patient. What the patient is saying, you should make up your mind according to that.
I would advise them to follow your heart, follow your patients regularly, be passionate about what you do.
Number one, not easy. Second, you have to do long duration of study, but yes, it is a good specialty.
मुझे डांस करना बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि मुझे डांसिंग नहीं आती, बट मैं जब डांस करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि दैट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मेडिटेशन, रिलैक्सेशन और मैं बिल्कुल फ्रेश हो जाती हूँ.
I developed a passion for cycling. I am an avid cyclist.
I like going out on a drive, preferably on a two-wheeler like a bike, and I like to spend time with myself with that.
The stethoscope, of course. Second one is a pen, obviously.
Hanky in my one pocket, phone in other.
Mobile phone, I would say now, I mean, things have changed actually. Earlier it used to be a torch and this and that, but now it's just the phone, everything is there.